Today I will show you how to jump to old messages on Instagram, and if you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, to jump to old messages on Instagram in 2025, you can use built-in search tools, automated scrolling shortcuts, or data downloads. But for the purpose of this tutorial, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to our messages tab, and when we get to the messages tab here, you can auto scroll to find the oldest message. But if you have much more of a longer message than I have, what you're gonna do is you're gonna use the search, and using the search, you're gonna type in the name of the contact that you remember having the conversation with or you want to search for, and from here you're gonna click on the name. But aside that, you can only scroll down till you find the oldest message. Now, that is how to jump to hold messages on Instagram. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.